When you were a kid, did you ever ring someone's doorbell and then run and hide and wait until they answered it? When I was a kid, which was a long time ago, that was considered entertainment. Well, here's something that you can do that's like that but a little less disruptive to the recipient. Find someone who has a need, someone who needs a kindness in their life. Without knowing what you're doing, meet that need for them. Pay a bill, buy some groceries, send a gift. Watch and see what happens when they receive it. Now, the trick is that you never let them or anyone else know that you did it. Try this, and I bet you can't do it just once. This is John Patrick Hickey, and I do want to thank you for joining me for this video. And I want to encourage you to always be your best. Love God, have good manners, discover the unknown, and change your world.